Hey, what's up? I'm Alex, and in this video I'm gonna make the crepes. So let's start without long and boring intros, come on! Let's start opening 3 eggs and adding 500 ml of milk, then add a bit of salt to enhance the flavor and mix everything.
Así que me gusta.
Now add 250 grams of sifted flour. It's better to add it in 2 or 3 times so as not to create the lumps. Usually I add 50 grams of sunflower seed oil or melted butter. It gives more consistency and non-stick properties. And personally, I also add 50 grams of sugar. Sugar gives the color during the cooking. If you like sweetie crepes, you can add even 100 grams of sugar, and for the salted preparation you can do them without the sugar. Cover the preparation with the plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes in the fridge. After that, mix it again to be sure to have smooth dough without lumps. If it needs, add a little bit of water. It should not be too dense. I use non-stick spray, but you can use a normal butter or oil. Enjoy your meal, subscribe to the channel and see ya in the next video.